Hi, class. I wanted to just in case you're having difficulty trying to find some of the bootstrap stuff. I just wanted to give you a heads up in case you're having a hard time finding it, because sometimes it can be, what I do over here in the videos isn't necessarily what it is anymore because they move things around. So when you are in the second slide here, just click on Bootstrap. You'll go here. If you scroll down, you'll see here's to include via CDN. So I think before it might have been up a little bit higher. You just got to scroll a little bit farther down, and then you'll see the stuff right here. You're just going to need to copy basically these two things. So I'll just copy that to clipboard, and I'm just going to make a new new text file. Oh, actually, I need all the other stuff too, don't I? So I'm just going to quickly type up. I've got my basic stuff here, and then basically what I want to do is just on this one, I'm going to copy this, which will link the CSS to our site. So I'm going to hit you can just click the little copy keyboard thing here, and then just inside after the title or before the title doesn't really matter. You're going to put that there, and then basically at the end of the body, the last thing that you will see is going to be this part here, which is the JavaScript. So you just copy that and go back here, and then you will paste that just like that. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and then I'm going to save this, and we'll just save it right to the desktop. And I'm not going to do it completely correct. We'll just do index.html for now. Yay. Okay. Then you would go in and you would put in the various components. So to find those, it's in a little bit of a different spot now. So if we just go to the docs section here, you'll see it'll kind of talk about all the things that there are. But if we scroll down, you'll see that they now have the sections broken up into like these different areas. So mostly what you're going to be concerned about is just this components section, because we're not really going to be using forms. Yeah, so you're going to want to do that. So I can just click on the grid here and I can see how it should look. So I'm just going to copy this grid here just as a start, but obviously you can just follow what I write is fine. So I'm just going to grab this little bit here just so you can see how you're going to incorporate it. So we'll do that, and I don't need text center on this. We'll get that out of there. And then you'll see, so this would just be like, let's just make this a P, right? And then we'll just take that and put this guy there. And then we'll just copy that. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control S. And then if I preview it here, I just open this up, you'll see it'll say column, 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 because that's just how it's set up. Okay, so you'll have a container, you have your rows, and then you have a column just like that. But then if you need to put in some other elements, such as like let's say the nav bar, what you can do is just scroll down. Let me see, I'm in the component section. You'll see nav bar, and you'll see a couple different options in here. I'm just going to copy the first one's probably fine. So just this little copy to clipboard. I will go back here. And then what I'm going to do is just make a new row, div class, and we'll call it a row. Okay. And then we'll do div class column, div class, and we'll just do column for now. I probably had you do like column 12 or large 12 or something. We'll cover that later in the thing. And then all you got to do is just basically paste that in there. And then you'll see you'll have the nav bar. Now, if I save that and I go back here, I'm just going to Control R to refresh. You'll see there's the nav bar. Okay. So some of the things are going to be in a slightly different position. It doesn't mean that they're not there or whatever. It's just you got to go to the docs, and then you can kind of find the things here. So if they're in a slightly different position, I apologize for that. But you should be able to see them just in there. Okay. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, let me know, and good luck.